Hey guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Vuyokazi has also confirmed that she is indeed, getting married. This is for the first time whereby she posted her pictures. Guys, I am walking down the aisle soon. So for the first time when she got engaged, she didn't say anything, she didn't confirm anything, but now she knows, what, I am getting married because cows lily money, so now I feel like she is ready to just come out with it. These are the pictures that she posted on Instagram looking all cute. And guys, people were saying negative things. I was also skeptical about this guy, but it seems like he is genuine after all. Those are the Bakongis. These pictures were also posted by chef Xolani on Instagram, and she looks so happy, man. She is glowing. It's just a lesson that if it's not working for you, just leave it, move on with your life. You will definitely find someone who's gonna do right by you, someone who's gonna marry you. Okay, look at her mom, guys. The mother looks so happy. She is just looking at her daughter smiling. I wonder how is the other person doing. They might be getting married now soon because they want to pay some revenge or something like that. They might be getting married soon. I don't know, guys. Let's be on the lookout. Let's see what's going to happen, because kuningi sham.